The relaxing waterfall seems to be heightening the Pokemon's concentration. And now, the battle begins. A fierce blow. The red corner barely holds on. Swamped by Hydro Pump. Taken out already. The blue corner has lost the first round. The second set of Pokémon have appeared. Its evasiveness rose. Ow! It was badly poisoned! Lapras suffers from poison. The substitute appeared. It hit the substitute. The damage caused by poison is slowly increasing. Its evasiveness rose. The move fails. The move fails. It hit the substitute. That's a hit this time. The move fails. It's down due to damage from poison. One win and one loss. It's all even now. Time to focus. The next round will determine the outcome. The third set of Pokémon have appeared. A fierce blow. The red corner barely holds on. It's pouring rain in the Colosseum. A brilliant hit. Hit by Psychic. It's down and out. The blue corner now has 2 wins and 1 loss. One more win and victory will be claimed. The fourth set of Pokémon have appeared. Hit! That hurt! A fierce blow! The blue corner barely holds on. By Surf. It couldn't take it. It's down. It's at 2 wins and 2 losses. A breathtakingly close fight. The next round will determine everything. The last set of Pokémon have appeared. A fierce blow! Such amazing power! A fierce blow! It's a direct hit! Bam! It's down and out! The battle has ended! The blue corner has won the game!